Well, thinking back on the Super Bowl, it would be hard to envision anything better than watching a football game like that one. But what if you could watch the same game from any angle, right over the 50-yard line, from the sideline at eye level, and of course from the end zone? And not only football games, but hockey, basketball, and pretty much anything else you can think of. Well, it's all being made possible by Wavecam, a brand new camera technology developed by a Pennsylvania company. Gary Giegrich is CEO, president, and co-founder of Wavecam. Welcome. Good to see you.
Nice to be here.
Yeah, well, tell me a little bit about this. I mean, people, I think, are familiar with that sort of sky cam that you see on a lot of football games, it seems, almost every weekend.
Yep. Well, my co-founder, a gentleman named Ed Doherty, actually worked on the Skycam for many years, engineered the original system, and he approached me a number of years ago, about 3 or 4 years ago, and told me about a new technology that he wanted to bring to the marketplace. And so we had a good combination of the engineering genius, and he saw me as the business talent that could help get this product to market. And so we started the company, and it's going very well.
Well, Skycam is already so cool. How do you top something like that?
Well, I think there are a number of differences in our product. The main difference is, though, that our product is designed for permanent installation. So it's easy to use. We're able to put it in any venue, whether it's indoor or outdoor. We're able to get all the angles that Skycam can, plus a whole lot of additional angles. But more importantly, from a cost standpoint, we were priced so that we can do every event. So Skycam is only used maybe 100 events a year.
Really?
Yeah, that's it. I mean, it seems like you see it all the time, but our idea is to make every event a primetime event by using this aerial technology. And in addition, we can use multiple cameras in a venue. So Skycam is limited by their technology to putting one camera into a venue. We can give angles from all different points of view.
And so multiple moving cameras.
Exactly.
All
so it's really space age. You can see cameras flying around from the baseline, from the end line, over the middle of the field, cameras dropping down from vertical positions. It's pretty amazing when you think of the possibilities.
Indoors and outdoors, so inside arenas as well as football stadiums?
Yes, exactly. And practice fields as well.
Practice fields?
Yep. When we originally designed the technology, our mindset was broadcast, and we introduced the technology to some coaches just in conversation, really, and all of a sudden they said, and these are the Penn State coaches, they said, you can give us that view, we want it. And so all of a sudden our priorities changed a little bit, and our first installation was at Penn State for their football practice facilities.
On the practice field, so
yes.
You've actually had the equipment up there and running up there?
We put it in there last year, and while we don't want to take 100% credit for their marked improvement this year, we think we had a contributing factor. The coaches really like it and have given us some great testimonials, and we're also going to be going into Beaver Stadium in this coming season as well.
Well, you think about it, I mean, how do they film a practice currently? They'd have to be limited in their number of camera positions and everything else.
Well, they pick high position spots, so they'll get cherry pickers, or they'll have in their indoor facility a crow's nest or something like that. But those have inherent limitations in terms of where you can place the camera, and in terms of the height, in terms of the position, getting behind the quarterback, behind the safety. Our tagline is "Get the W," and that's really what we help coaches do by giving them better views. And a lot of the little details in coaching are very esoteric, stance, lineup, positioning, etc., and it really helps them to show the players exactly what they're doing. Not just tell them, show them.
Pretty amazing. Now, there's a Pittsburgh connection to all of this, actually.
Yes. I was introduced to Glenn Meekum, who's co-founder of Meekum Becker Capital Partners, along with Dave Becker, and I explained the technology to him, and we were one of their initial investments in their venture capital fund, and they've been terrific, great guys, and really saw the potential, or see the potential, for what we can do.
That's great. So they're investing in a new Pennsylvania manufacturer. You're building the product right
that's
here
right.
in the Commonwealth, and based here, and you have a sales office here in Western Pennsylvania as well.
Yep, that's right. We're going to do everything. We do the design, we do the manufacture. We opened a Pittsburgh office late last year. We've got a sales office here, and we plan to expand that over the next couple of years. We provide a full service, so we'll also provide camera operators, training, customer support. So we're really going to be on both ends of the state, and it's going very well.
Well, it's exciting. Congratulations. It's a lot of fun. Looks exciting, and I guess coming soon to an arena or a stadium near you, right?
Very soon.
All right.
Very soon.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
And we'll be back with more of Our Region's Business in just a moment. Stay with us.